The political climate right now in California is negative toward the direction of the state and positive over some of the Democratic leaders that they've elected. In this poll, which is the first that we've taken with Jerry Brown as governor, he had an approval rating of 44% and a disapproval rating of 33%. 11% more people think he's doing a good job than a bad job. That's not quite as strong as the president, Barack Obama, who had a 53% approval rating. And so some of these leaders are having a positive response from the public, even as they think California and the country as a whole are going in the wrong direction. 70% said California's going the wrong way. 66% said the nation's going the wrong way. 34% of the respondents, and there was more than 1,500 people interviewed, 34% said either they or a family member had lost a job recently. And that's strongly reflected. Two-thirds of the respondents said they believe that California has either not hit the bottom of the economic recession or that if we have, we're not improving yet.
Most governors, faced with the set of unpopular decisions that are invariably associated with a multi-billion-dollar budget deficit, a governor calling for tax increases or spending cuts, is going to be hit pretty hard by the voters. But Jerry Brown's approval ratings, his favorability ratings, are hanging in there pretty strong. And it seems that what's happened is that by talking directly to the people of California and not mincing words and saying, hey, we've got a problem and we've got to take serious steps in order to solve it, voters might not be thrilled with Brown's approach, but they respect it. And so his overall level of support is staying remarkably consistent.